Hello, I'm Mariana from Croatia House, and I'm thrilled to say that Hotel Pula is back by popular demand at this year's festival. So if you didn't catch it last year, do not miss it this time round. Hotel Pula is a hauntingly beautiful gem that grips you from the very first scene. We meet Tahir, a 38-year-old Bosnian refugee, trying to rebuild his life in a dilapidated hotel in Pula during the turbulent mid-1990s. He barely speaks, yet his eyes carry the weight of everything that he has survived. Soon, we're introduced to Una, a spirited, fresh-faced young woman with a hunger for something more. In an unforgettable beachside scene, we sense immediately that her path and Tahir's are destined to collide. What follows is a deeply moving, understated love story, one that doesn't rely on grand gestures but instead leans into silences, stolen glances, and the quiet yearning of two souls searching for connection in a broken world. Hotel Pula is bold, poetic, and grounded in the rawness of real life. It offers no Hollywood gloss, no really neatly tied bows. It's just honest, profound storytelling that lingers long after the credits roll. It is everything we love about great European cinema. I absolutely love this film, and if you value stories with soul, so will you. I'm Mariana from the team at Croatia House. We cannot wait to see you at this year's Croatian Film Festival. It's bye for now.